The old way is you come to this Binance Square, and when you come here, you stay active so that you see influencers here who post red packets. I mean, the gift code you need to redeem. All right. So what we usually do is that you come here, you stay active. Then when they post, you be very fast to claim. That's how we do it. The old way is very tiring, but you have to stay active. All right. I actually made some money when I claim this what's the name of this token now? This YMS. I claimed it that time. I think it was around 0.00 something. The time I claimed it, I one day like that, I just pumped to $16. So that was how I actually start taking this Binance Square very serious. All right. So this is what I want to let you know in this video. This video is that there's an app now that just help you. You don't need to stay online here always again. The app just anyone that posts any what's it called now? Any red packet here, the app just scan and just notify you that there's a new one. Then you just all you just need to do is just a click, and it will take you here and you claim. All right. So before I continue, let's go to the place that you need to claim it. All right. So some of you might need to go to your profile and bring your red carpet here, packet here, but I've already brought it here. You want to bring it, just click on your profile. When you click on this place, when you click on this red packet, you just come to this dashboard. All right. So here you can also like create your own or send. All right. If you want to receive, you click on receive. When you click on receive, the code that you copy from that place, some of them are automatic. You can see I claimed this one today. In this tutorial, I'm going to claim another one so that you just see how to claim it, right? So you just come here, you paste the code. If there is a code, some of them are automatic, some of them they'll just give you simple quiz. You put the quiz and you win automatic, right? If you want to create your own, you just click on the send and you create your own. But what we are here for is receiving. That's why we are based on receiving. Right. So before you continue this video, please, you just click away, just click on subscribe. Help us grow, please. Help us grow. Help us grow. And we have a lively community on Telegram. If you check this channel, you see there are many updates, and we are working very hard to get new legitimate updates. Please join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp, and also follow me on Solid Crypto and on Facebook. Right. So just check the description of this video and the comment section, and you will see the link that, to join our communities, and the link to join this project too is strictly invite. Like, you need to get an invite code. Invite code is really required. So my invite code will also be in the description of this video or the comment section. Make use of it fast before it expires. Right. So yeah, let's go to the app now. This is the place that you need to paste the code. Let's go to the app. Great. So this is the reason I said you can make up to $5, even $10 every day. Why? You see today, only today, the app has already scanned 67 codes today. You can see 6 minutes ago, we have to work with this one. 8 minutes ago, you see that. That is crazy. 1 hour ago, 8 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. So we work with one. Then listen to me, Nigerians, because Binance.com do not work in Nigeria. So you need to get a very good VPN to access it. And which VPN are you going to use? You can use VPNify. I'm currently using VPNify, so you can download it on Play Store and also use it. But one of the things you need to understand again is that all you just need to do when you click on it now, it will take you to Google. When you reach there, all you just need to do, just look up the name of the person that posted it and just go to Binance to search it. That's what we are going to do now. So I'm going with this one. I'm going with this one. So please help us grow. Please subscribe and like this video. I think the like always make the video go viral. Please like and also comment. All right. Okay, this is the post. But since I'm not logged in here, okay, this is the post. And okay, one of the things you need to understand again is that most of the people that always post this stuff are these people. What's the name now? Like this particular person now is using what's it called? Okay, at Jin Feng C68 is the name of the guy. Just click on copy, right? I click on copy, and we are here. So if I click on claim, it will tell me to open the app. All right, but the app safe without VPN it won't work because of the Binance.com. You remember? So this is it. This is how I've copied the name. All I just need to do now is to go to this is how you'll be using as a Nigerian, right? Or if you are from another country watching this video, Binance.com, and actually go on your own site. Just click on make sure you update your app, update your what's it called? Update your Binance so that it can pick it immediately. All right. So that's just it. I've copied the name and I've looked on how the post is. You can see translation and everything. So let's go back to the Binance app. All right, so you are back on the Binance app and you just click on this search button up. All right, this place, just click on it. You can search anything here. All right, so you just click on it and you type the name. I've typed the name, you click on search and you wait for it to come out. All right, so you can see you need to click on this square because this is the Binance square. So when I click on the square, okay, this the user did not come out. This is the issue we be having as a Nigerian because the person that posted it typed it in Chinese. All right, so okay, let me get over it again and see. So I decided to leave that one because there are many opportunities. So let's move on from that. If you see the one that is written in Chinese and you don't understand it, you can leave it and look for another one. We have over 76 code here, but some of them have been claimed. So let's work with the one we have here. Okay, let's click on this particular one. All right, let's click on this particular one, and I already say you have to use. Okay, this one is a task. So let me tell you a trick to this particular one. It seems I've claimed this one safe. You don't need to do all these tasks before you do the normal thing, before you claim it. All you just need to do is to come here, just write done. You see, I've done it. You just come here and write done. All right, but just the same method I told you. What you just need to do is to copy the username of that person. Copy the username of that person. Then you go to your Binance app to search for the username. Let's go to the Binance app. All right, we are back on Binance. So let me click on the search button and I just click on the name. I want to search the name. So you know it's on Binance Square. So when it comes like this, just click on this square. When you click on the square, then you now click on creator. What you are looking for is the creator. You see, is the first person here. All right, you can use this for all of them as in Nigeria, or if you are in a country where Binance.com is not going in your country. All right, it's not going in Nigeria right now. So that is why I have to use this method. So now we are on the dashboard. You just need to scroll down. When you scroll down, this is a task. This is a task. You can see 80 something people, 87 people have already claimed it. So you just need to do click on the comment section, then you just type done. You click on the comment section, you type done, and that is it. Like the network is poor, that is why it's a bit slow. But then, yeah, you just come here, you type done. I've already done it, so I don't need to type done again, right? So let's look for another one, another new one. Let's go back to the app again. So what I'm just trying to say in essence is that you can, if you are active on it, you can make up to $5, $10 every day, if you are constantly active. There's no way you tell me that you claim all these 76 and it's not to $5. 76 code today. Look at it. Let me scroll down. So you see all these posts are today, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. You can see. So this app is very, very active, very, very active. And like I said, if you're in a country where the stuff is working, just update your Binance and just click on this place. When you click on it, it will just take you to the place the code is. If the code is dropped separately, you just click on copy the code and go to the black packets and the red packet and just paste the code and claim. But if there's a task, maybe they say you should answer a quiz, the answer to the quiz is already in the comment section because you would have met some people in the comment section. Some of them will tell you to press some code, maybe 999 or 888. You understand? So it's very, very straightforward. It's very, very straightforward. So please, if you find this video very helpful, please help us subscribe and share with your friends. Like I said, don't hide updates. Don't hide updates, especially legit one. Don't hide it. All right. So the link to join our community is going to be live in the comment section. Make sure you join and also begin to follow our updates. All right. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.